Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the ballerina drop. This is a spinning slack drop that has a really unique pose point at the beginning that's inspired by a pirouette. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start from at least 3 climbs up to make sure you've got enough height. Hip key and then begin your spin. We want to keep the spin reasonably gentle in the hip key because it will speed up once we invert. If you want to know more about how to control your spins, check out my Spin Secrets video in the top right corner. Invert and sickle your right leg to come into the upside down pirouette. Wrap the silk over your left knee to drop. To exit, sit up, unhook your right knee and then come back to a climb. Next up, we'll go over it again in slow motion and each step will be in a little more detail. Remember to subscribe and turn on the bell if you'd like to see more tutorials like this one. Start with your hip key, bring the silk to your low back and then start a gentle spin. Remember that your spin will get faster when you invert. When you're coming out of your hip key, make sure you stay in a bent arm position. This will make it much easier to invert. Let the silk drop off your left leg and then invert and sickle your right foot. Ideally, your right foot will be turned in so the sole of your foot is on the silk. Reach down with your left hand and pull the silk directly underneath you, pushing it down towards the ground. Once you've got the tension, you can let go with your right hand and then come into a pirouette position. When you're ready to drop, your right hand takes the silk across to your right hip to create some slack, while your left hand wraps the silk over your left knee. Hold onto the tail in your left hand and let go with the right. Allow your right knee to bend as your left knee extends. This all happens really quickly and when done smoothly adds to the effect of the drop. To exit, sit up and grab the pole end with your right hand. Your left hand comes underneath so you can unhook your right leg and come back to a climb. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial of the ballerina drop. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!